Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn, in addition to the FreeCAD sketching, also about the application of FreeCAD tools, like revolution, thickness, hole, and mirror. This is the exercise for today that we need to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D part. These are the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. Click this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. By this FreeCAD Start option, the body is inserted automatically. In step 1, we sketch the middle section of the part and we use the revolution tool to create the solid part. Now create a new sketch for the profile and choose the YZ plane to sketch on. First, we create roughly the shape of the profile and we will put the dimensions later. Now, we have the shape, but it is not constrained. Assign the dimensions. Let us add a fillet to the corners. Select the sketch and activate the Revolution tool. In step 2, we create the cylindrical part on the side of the created part. First, we create a plane which is parallel to the YZ plane. Select the plane and activate the Sketch tool. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool, and then select the option Up to Face and then select the face. Now, we mirror the created cylindrical part about the XZ plane. Now, we add a fillet around the cylindrical parts. Don't forget to like and share the video. In this step, we give the solid part a thickness of 1 millimeter. Activate the Thickness tool and set the thickness parameter, and then select the faces to remove. Next, we create a hole. To create a hole without sketch, select the face and then activate the Hole tool. Set the diameter parameter and then select the option Through Hole. Now, the solid part is finalized. You can see the inner part of the created part with the help of sectioning tools. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.